Hi, to check RAM and enable RAM Plus on your Samsung Galaxy A16 5G, firstly you need to find and open settings on the phone, and here scroll till you could see device care tab. After that, choose memory by tapping it, and now it is checking the memory, and after that you should see this bar with available amount of storage, gigabytes you used, reserved, and so on. And if you notice that your phone starts to lag and slow down a bit, you can immediately hit that blue button Clean Now, and this will free up memory by stopping background apps. Here you should see this list of apps. So let's tap the button, and after that your phone will be working much more faster, and you should notice the difference and also free up some space. Now let me go back in the memory and then scroll down, and you should see RAM Plus. So here you can enable it by tapping on this switcher, and notice that this feature uses your phone's storage space to provide virtual memory. You can choose more virtual memory as 4 gigabytes to allow more apps to stay open in the background. But to keep more storage space, select the 2 gigabytes option, and in that case you need to restart the phone, so you should see that the screen turns off, and just in a couple of seconds it should turn back on with the selected amount of RAM. And that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like and comment, and I wish you all the best. Bye bye.